Okay, I do want to point out one more thing. The exhaust crackles and pops very low. It's a nice tone. I can actually make the car do it, on its own while parked. Uh, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this for you guys now, so you can just hear how it sounds.